It is hard for employees to remember the different mileage rates applicable to them or keep track of the different IRS mileage rates. With Fyle, you can set up mileage rates, assign them to employees based on their level, project, or any other criteria and easily track them, saving your finance team hours of productive time as well. Let us see how it is super easy to do on Fyle. When an employee wants to create a mileage expense, they should navigate to Add Expense button on top right corner and select Add Mileage on the form. Alternatively, they can click on the drop-down as well to directly go to the Add Mileage section on the form. Let us fill in the fields. Put in the date. This is where employees can select the mileage rates applicable to them. Say we click on IRS mileage rate. Here is how you can add the stops. Say the employee is traveling from New York to New Jersey. Because Fyle is integrated with Google Maps, it shows you the route, and the distance and amount get auto-populated. You can check or uncheck this button if this is a round trip. Put in the payment mode, the purpose, and the cost center. You can even add any other custom field like department or project and it will show up here. You can click here on options to set up recurrence for trips that a user may be taking on a regular basis. Doing this will create that particular mileage expense report automatically for the user, based on the chosen frequency. Now let us see how to configure mileage rates for your employees to select. Navigate to Settings. On the left side, click on Expenses, click on Mileage and add mileage rate. On this form, you can add in the current IRS rate or create a custom rate for your organization. Let's say you want to add in the IRS rate. Give it a name. Now, the current rate is 65 cents per mile, so let's add that here. And click on Add Rate. By toggling this button, you can enable or disable the rates that would be applicable for your employees. In this section, you can configure the information your employees provide while submitting a mileage expense. Here is another feature that you must see. By toggling this button, you can restrict mileage expenses to select employees. Say you enable it. Let us see how to assign it to specific employees. On the left side, navigate to Employees and click on Manage Employees. Select an employee, say Brian Foster. When you scroll down, you will be able to assign the specific mileage rate to Brian. He will then be able to select it when he is creating the mileage expense from his end. And that's it. Fyle makes it super easy for your users to track every mileage expense, so they are reimbursed on time, stay compliant with IRS rates, and close books faster. Get a demo of Fyle now.